Hi, welcome back to Huntley Film Archives Tuesday tutorial. Today I'm going to be looking at joins. Now this is something that film archivists have to do constantly, both to make sure that films run safely through scanners, but also to maintain stability for preservation purposes as well, so the film is nice and stable for future generations. Now, unfortunately, the past filmmakers weren't always very kind to us film archivists, and they chose to do quite interesting interpretations of joins sometimes. And I've got a great example here, which I'll be dealing with today, where I've got a negative, 16mm negative, and what they've done, we've got a lovely overlap here, and they've just put a bit of white tape over there. It's not great. I thought cement joins were a bit troublesome, but now the problem in this scenario is that obviously I've got a negative film, got my cloth gloves on. Now as soon as I take this off, the sticky tape is going to stick to my gloves, and also it's going to leave some residue on the film which needs to come off. So you want to get rid of any sticky stuff that is on a film. So you might immediately think, well, I need to go and get some isopropyl and some tissue and start cleaning that off, but of course your tissue paper is going to stick to the sticky, so it can end up being a big disaster area. So today what I'm going to be looking at is how to use the tape itself to actually get rid of the sticky and not get your glove stuck to the tape as well. So I'm just going to take that off of there. Just use the tape itself. Go back over it. It's a bit like when you take blue tack off of a wall using blue tack. You don't need to get any alcohol or tissue. You don't need to be scraping away at the film. Just use the tape. And it takes it off. It's on the side. You can see that. Sticky there. Takes it all off. Okay, there we go. So, taking all the sticky residue off my film. Take that off. This is terrible stuff. It should never have been used on film. Right, now I can actually draw my film together. I can see that I've got a few half frames here, which I'm not used to anymore. So I'm just going to slide these off. Do the other side. Nice sticky free join.